Hi everyone, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Liluna Tarot. Again, this is your intuitive reader, Maria. So, magandang umaga. Sino pa ang gising sa inyo? Kamusta kayo? So, I hope napanood nyo na yung ating recent upload. Okay, so magkakasunod yan. Okay, so ngayong araw, we are going to do a collective reading. So, this is especially for our singles. Okay, doon lang po sa singles. Okay, whether you are a female, okay, or male. So, if you are single, this reading is for you. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng tatlong deck. Okay? Sa harapan ninyo. So, itong ating Gilded Tarot card, itong Love Oracle card, and itong Situationship. So, first, download na agad sa akin. For some of you ha, ng mga single ha, may iba sa inyo na in a situationship, okay. Sorry, nagugulo lang ako kasi kanina pa ako tinatawag to use the situations card. Oo. Situations oracle card. Okay, so let's see kung ano yung makukuha nating energy para sa inyo collective singles, okay? So this is random. Wala tayong pipiliin kung this is about love or friendship or finances. So this is random messages, okay, para sa ating mga single. So first, we're going to shuffle situations card for collective. Sorry guys, medyo ano ko, medyo groggy pa ako kasi sobrang daming ginawa. Pero syempre, hindi ko kakalimutang mag-upload para sa inyo guys. Para meron kayong aabangan. Okay. So let's see, collective na singles na in situationship. So let's see. Ano ba yung energy na makukuha natin para sa inyo? Uy. Searching. Oy, yung iba sa inyo is looking for love. You are on a online dating app or you are free to date. Okay. Pwedeng you are searching for love online for some of you. Okay. Pero meron ako nakukuha na karamihan sa inyo is walang specific type ng guy, okay, or girl, or sabihin nating woman, or man, hinahanap ninyo. So, pero meron akong nakuha din na ang gusto nyo lang is yung kayang bigay ng genuine, totoong pagmamahal, unconditional love. And karamihan sa inyo collective, kayo yung klase ng person na you can give unconditional love, or ikaw yung klase ng tao na kapag nagmahal ka is you're very pure. So meron akong nakukuha gano'n. Kasi para sa inyo na searching and then meron ditong nakapiring, parang ano pa eh, alam mo yun, parang for some of you, hindi ko nila lahat, collective, most of you is clear yung intentions. Okay, di ba sabi ko love, di ba? Most of you is searching for love. And merong iba yung meron akong nakuha sa inyo na yung iba yung parang pagkakaintindi nyo when it comes sa love section or sa salitang love. Or Some of you, meron na kayong kakonekta online, meron na kayong nakakausap online, meron na kayong um, somehow connected to a specific person, okay? And siguro, ibig sabihin is looking for that specific person. Ano kayo, nagba-background check kayo, titingnan nyo siguro kung ano yung background ditong person na to, kung talaga bang sincere din tong person na to, meron akong nakukuha. Ah, okay. Intervention, rescue others involved, desire, lust, sexual chemistry. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So, meron na ako agad ditong na-top na energy for some of you. Triggers. Okay. Okay. So, it's crystal clear na this is about love. Okay. Singles. So, whether ikaw to, collective na you are clean, okay? You are genuine, searching for a true love. Yeah. And po pwedeng there is someone enchanting you or there is someone na parang um, you have an eye for a specific person. That's why you are looking or searching for an information dito sa person na to. But, for some of you, kung pwedeng meron kang nalaman dito or there is a part of this person that triggers o pwedeng you, that triggers you or triggers um, some kind of parang kutob sa inyo siguro kasi kung pwedeng siguro take what's resonate guys, there is an intervention na nangyayari. Whether siguro there is a pause, there is a blockage, okay? We will clarify that later guys. Pero there is an intervention here. Uh, pero meron ako nakikita na there is a malakas yung pull ng attraction. Okay, there is an heat, merong heat. Okay, between siguro dito sa person na to and sa'yo, sa aking singles or collective. Na sinasabi ko nga na most of you is in a situationship. Okay. And siguro, hindi ko inilalahat, yung iba sa inyo, um, na pag, kumbaga parang ano eh, nami-misguided na since you are pure, you are in a good intention, okay, searching for someone, um, be very careful, okay, for looking for a connection or a person. Okay, kasi merong iba dito na um, just lust, okay, hindi serious commitment yung kayang ibigay. Okay? And po pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, um, it is better to search, okay, on a correct place para makita nyo rin yung siguro tamang person na makakasundo ninyo and most of you, meron ako nakikita na kasi ano ka eh, seryoso ka when it comes um, sa, kumbaga malinis yung intention mo. Okay. And siguro meron kang binibigay dito kasi nga ano eh, malakas yung pull. malakas yung pull between you and this
Hmm?
person.
Well,
Kaya ano, kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo dahil seryoso ka, um, sinisi-ay mo 'to, eh, chine-check mo kung honest din ba 'tong person na 'to or it is just this person is playing, parang gano'n. Sorry guys kung may pause. Okay, tingnan natin. What else? Singles and collective. Uy, pop-up, spontaneous, unexpected surprise visit pero in reverse siya and then lockdown, mental prison confined. Yeah. For some of you kasi you know what you want. Yung iba sa inyo, you know what you want. You know kung ano yung intentions ninyo and clear yung intention ninyo and for some of you are single kasi and siguro yung iba sa inyo is nag-overthink na maybe baka itong specific person na ka-connection ninyo or if you are in a situationship again guys is totoong single ba or mamaya baka married or there is someone else in the background which is kaya nandito yung intervention others involved. Okay, po pwedeng meron ding nagpapayo sa'yo, meron ka din nakakausap, um, siguro friends, okay, with the intervention here or there is a parang there is a download sa'yo na bigla siguro kang nag-doubt or kasi nga meron mga bagay na nag-trigger siguro sa'yo kaya parang nakaramdam ka ng parang oo nga, ba't hindi ko siya i-check if this person is totoo din sa akin. Parang ganon. So, let's see. Nightlife, gamble, take a risk, Vegas. Kasi nga, ayaw mo mag-take risk. For some of you, you are searching, yes, but ayaw mo din syempre na mag-take risk kasi nga, um, po pwedeng ano eh, marami ako guys nakukuha. Yung iba sa inyo, you are, paano ko ba sabihin to? Ano ka, ikaw yung klase ng person na seryoso. Hindi ikaw yung ano, yung type ng person na mahilig sa night out, um, mahilig sa party. Hindi ikaw yung parang pawalwal na kind of a person. Ikaw yung parang karespe-respetong babae or lalaki. Yeah, kaya siguro maingat ka din. Oo. And siguro kaya meron kung yung iba sa inyo is baka meron ng bina-background check or sine-search, okay? Or parang chine-check mo kung meron ka ng kakonekta na situationship, if this person is okay. Kasi nga, ikaw nga is yung parang, ano ko eh, yung parang, paano ko ba sabihin to? Ikaw yung klase ng taong ano eh, yung basta seryoso ka, hindi ka bastusin, hindi ka, ano, totoo ka, genuine ka na person. And wala kang baggage for some of you. Pero siguro, kaya there is a doubt here. Meron ako nakikita. Or siguro, meron ako nakikita na your guide, your angels, si Lord is parang ini-intervene yung connection. Kasi po pwedeng, itong kakonekta mo, hindi ko inilalahat ha, kung sino man sa inyo yung may kakonekta dito, na parang lust lang yung gusto. Yes. And hindi pa into serious commitment. Magnetic. Unexplainable pull. Di ba sinabi ko na sa inyo, there, yung connection na meron ka, which is siguro, it can be a situationship kasi there is no proper, ano pa, label, parang ganon. And nararamdaman mo rin yun, you feel it too also to this specific person kasi meron ako talaga nakikita na for some of you, most of you, there is connection eh. Meron ka ng kakonekta dito eh. Wala pa lang kumbaga parang hindi pa siya nagiging grounded. Oo. And siguro that's why nakuha nito yung attention mo kasi there is a magnetic pull, okay, to this person. Pero kung pwede siguro may toxic behavior pa yung kakonek mo. Kaya may intervention na binigay sa'yo. Kasi siguro, you deserve unconditional love. You deserve a genuine love. Meron ako nakikitang ganon. You deserve a genuine love. You deserve a person na mamahalin ka unconditionally. Okay, so let's see pa. Last one card for this deck. Yes. Lockbox. Closed in, trap, frustrated. Pero, in reverse siya. Oh, 'di ba? So, ano pa siya, hindi pa grounded yung connection. Meron akong nakikita na hindi pa grounded, hindi wala pang partnership dito, wala pang girlfriend, boyfriend dito, wala pang label, wala pang title. Okay. And you are open eh. May nakikita ko sa iyo collective na most of you is you are open. If this person is katulad mo ng mga quality and hinahanap sa connection, you are open to receive. Yeah. And most of you also is ano eh, um, you know na parang, paano ko ba sabihin to? You know na meron talagang connection between the two of you or between the both of you, parang ganyan. So, let's see to this love oracle. Okay. And then last na lang natin si tarot card. Let's see. Collective. Let's see. Interference again. Interference, third party. Nakikita nyo ba to guys? Others involved, third party. Interference again. Intervention, interference. It can be there is a third party involved. Whether siguro tong person na to is hindi lang ikaw ang kinakausap. Yes, ikaw hindi ka into nightlife, hindi ka pawalwal, hindi ka parang playing, pero meron ako nakikita dito na yung ibang ka-connect nung aking mga collective na singles is most of them is lust lang ang kumbaga physically lang ang gusto. Yeah. Again, it can be there is a toxic trait here or toxic behavior, toxic pattern na which is yung isa while you are genuine searching and pwedeng while you are serious and interested dito sa person na to, this person is just mingling siguro or parang nakikipag-usap pa. Hindi lang ano eh, titingnan natin guys hindi lang one person alone to eh. So titingnan natin. Finances, future, mind on the money. Okay. So for some of you, the third party here, okay, is yung iba sa inyo, yung kakonekta nyo is either focused on business or money or you are the one who is focused. Basta, yung isa is open to receive while the other person is parang not totally na naka all in sa connection. Sana guys susundan ninyo yung reading ha. Yes. Um, honesty and truth. Yung iba sa inyo collective, kung pwedeng this person is not honest or you are the one who is not honest or truthful. Pero meron akong malaki ditong na sense and nakukuha na the other person is not honest. Yes. Na po pwede sigurong I will be straightforward po pwede sigurong most of them connected ninyo is wants to have a uh, physically involved sa inyo. Pero, on the actual is, this person is not totally all in sa connection or gusto nang makipagrelasyon. This person is just focusing on finances. Okay? So, po pwede yun yung third party interference. That's why siguro there is an intervention doon sa may connection ninyo kasi while you are all in na, okay, while you are parang prepared na, the other person is not. Vice versa, guys. So, take what's resonate. 'Di ba masked? Not showing true self, 'di ba? Hindi honest, not truthful, 'di ba? Kung ano yung talagang intentions towards you. Kasi there is a magnetic pull, unexplainable pull between the both of you. Okay? Na talagang hindi ma-resist, na hindi mo maintindihan na bakit ganun yung pull mo dito sa person na to or vice versa. Ganun yung nararamdaman ng person. Pero talagang ano to eh, um, itong person na to yung nararamdaman ko kasi na talagang ano eh. That's why siguro you are searching. Yeah, you are looking for a clue. You are bina-background check mo tong person na to. Tinitingnan mo kung totoo ba talaga yung intention niya towards you or dun sa mga pinapakita niya. Eh po pwedeng na-fall ka na dito sa person to with the love here. May nararamdaman ka na. Watch your back pero in reverse siya. Soulmate everlasting. Ooh. Relationship, connecting. There is a connection eh. Guys, there is a connection. And this is a connection that both of you can't resist. Yeah. Kaso kasi there is someone here na hindi ano eh, hindi honest. Pupuwedeng ikaw 'to, if you are a female, pupuwede sigurong ayaw mo pang sabihin na ano, ayaw mo pang what I mean is ayaw mong ipagtapat doon or ipakita dun sa person na 'to na mahal mo siya or talagang you are falling in love na talaga, eh, and gusto mo siyang ano. Pero may nakikita ko dito na this is a soulmate, this is an everlasting love. Guys, sa tingin niyo everlasting, soulmate, love, unconditional. Kung sino man dito yung 'di nagiging tapat, pupuwedeng maging totga 'to. And you know guys what is totga, right? Pupuwedeng maging missed opportunity 'to if hindi inayos nung isang person yung sarili niya. Hindi niya ayusin yung if if hindi aayusin ng person yung mga kailangan niyang ayusin. Kasi there is a relationship here. Oo. And siguro, um, yung isa sa inyo, whether ikaw 'to or yung person na kakonekta mo, collective, is naka-focus sa money na totally naka-all in sa relation. Guys, pwede naman pagsabayin yan actually. O, di ba? Toxicity. Ang bottom of the toxicity. For some of you, there is, yung iba sa inyo ha, other energy itong nababasa ko. For some of you, there is someone here na connected pa sa karmic relationship. Yeah. Connected pa sa third party na karmic. Okay? Na hindi pa, kumbaga, ini-end. Whether, di ko masinabing connected, talagang parang nakikipagrelasyon pa. Kahit na meron ng new person na dumarating. Ang ibig ko ba sabihin is hindi pa rin nagmo-move on, hindi pa rin kino-closed off yung cycle, parang still, um, parang don't want to move pa rin, parang gano'n. There is a relationship here and this person is talagang searching to sa ng ano, ng talagang genuine love. Oo, searching to. And this person is hindi siya ano guys, hindi siya ano, seryoso siya, hindi siya manloloko, talagang genuine yung hinahanap niya. Gusto niya talaga ng ano, ng connection na totoo. Single. Meron akong nakikita dito, single 'to. Kung ikaw yung nababasa ko, guys ha, kung sino man yung nanonood ha, worry. Anxiety, worry. Heartbreak, shattered. Cheating, broken trust. For some of you na hindi pa ini-stop yung hurting, agonizing pain. For some of you na hindi pa ini-stop yung connection sa karmic ha, if this person will find out that you are still connected to a karmic relationship or someone else with the third party here or may kinakausap ka pang iba bukod dito sa person na to, this person will get hurt. This person is mabubroke yung trust niya. Kasi baka akala nitong person na to is serious ka din sa kanya if you are the one ha, yung nababasa kong energy. So, vice versa, guys. Kasi seryoso to eh. Serious person to eh. Respectful person din to eh. Nung nakita dito eh. Pero someone kasi is wearing a mask. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya honest. Someone here is not honest. Bliss, happiness. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Soulmate saka sa bliss, happiness. Kapag na-pursue tong relationship na to, wala nang intervention na mangyayari, wala nang mga blockages and mga triggers or mga cheating issues or anything, wala nang kinakausap na iba, talagang kumbaga all in kayo parehas, there is a happiness here. Okay, kasi this is a soulmate. Kaya iba yung pull, there is a magnetic. This person makes you happy also. Single parent, responsibilities in reverse. Again, relationship, connecting. Again, guys, this person is single. Okay? So, take what's resonate. This person is single. Okay? Sundan nyo na lang yung reading, guys. This person is single, walang responsibilidad, and kaya niya mag-all in sa relationship if ever na ano. Kasi meron ako po dito na may kakonekta na iba pa eh. Kung sino yung nakuha kong kakonekta pa yung iba or there is a third party interferences. Again, bottom of the deck. Toxicity, karmic relationship. There is someone here still connected in a karmic relationship. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, let's go with the Gilded Tarot na. If this person will find out that um, whether ikaw to o yung person, if this person will find out na you are still talking to someone else, still pursuing someone, or still, sabihin natin, fucking with someone, this person will get hurt. Kasi seryoso tong person na to. This person will shattered. Kasi ano siya eh, unconditional siya magmahal. Okay. Yeah, unconditional siya magmahal, malinis yung intention niya. By the way guys, naano ko na siya, na-shuffle ko na, nabalasa ko na siya kanina. So let's see. Collective singles, let's see. Wow. Seven of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Someone here is just waiting. Just waiting. Naghihintay lang tong person na to. Whether ikaw to, singles collective, or itong person na to, someone here is just waiting. Waiting sa'yo. Kung ikaw man yung hindi pa ready, or ikaw pa man yung merong hindi ka connecta, ito pwede sigurong alam na nitong person na to na you are still connected to a karmic or someone else. With the Page of Cup, this person will offer. Very romantic tong person to. This person will offer yung cup niya and all in siya once na makita niya na same energy din. Nakukuha niyo guys. Yeah. Let's see. Collective symbols. Please name the card. Collective symbols. Knight of Cups. Again, cups. Emotion. Seryoso. Seryoso. Ikaw or itong person na to? Six of Wands. Oh. Can be this person is popular, a well-known person, or a respected person. Kung sino man tong soulmate na to, uh, maraming nagkakagusto dito guys ha. Take note, maraming nagkakagusto dito sa person na to. Kaya sabi ko, magiging totga talaga to kapag hindi mo inayos, kung ikaw man yun. Kung kapag hindi mo inayos yung sarili mo. Magiging totga. The one that got away. Ace of Wands, Seven of Wands. Sinabi ko na, di ba? Maraming nagkakagusto dito. Maraming maraming ano. And also aware din tong person na to na marami ding nagkakagusto sa'yo kasi po pwedeng you're very attractive also. Guys, if this is a masculine, I tell you, you will satisfied with the desire here. Very fiery. Meron akong nakuha, bigla ako napatawa. This person is very big. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. This will satisfy the mm, the collective. Yun na lang sasabihin ko. Yeah. This person is very, very romantic. Very fiery. Okay? Nag-aalab. Alam mo yun, kapag siguro you feel it too also, pag magkausap kayo, iba yung pakiramdam, iba yung pull. There is a fiery, in the middle, kapag magkausap ka nitong person na to. Basta iba. Kasi this is a soulmate. The Chariot. The Chariot. This person is is talagang going on your direction eh. Talagang, alam mo yun, this person, yung desire, yung, alam mo yun, and pwedeng this person is searching for you online. Pwedeng very mysterious ka collective. Single ha, para sa mga singles natin, you're very mysterious and then parang ikaw yung nagwe-wear ng mask na parang hindi mo sinasabi lahat ng details dito sa person na to. Hindi mo sinasabi na kumbaga parang yung full information mo dito sa person na to, parang meron ka ding toxic behavior, meron kang parang, if you are the one who is parang push-pull, parang push, alam mo yung parang hot and cold, parang gano'n, meron ako nakikita gano'n. Pero this person is going towards you. Yeah. Justice card. Wow. Let's see. Wow, Four of Wands. Again, guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Four of Wands. This is a happy family. Guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. Happiness. Nakikita nyo ba? Happiness. A soulmate. A marriage. There is a marriage here. Wow. Look at that. Oh, uh, may tingling sensation sa akin, guys. Seryoso tong person na to. This is a good husband or a good wife. Very serious tong person na to. Mapagkakatiwalaan siya kasi hindi siya into nightlife. If ikaw to ha, collective, single, or itong person na to, last 6 cards para matapos na natin yung reading natin. Six cards. Oops. The Fool. In reverse. Hindi nakikipagbiruan 'to, guys. Meron akong nakikita na this person is not playing games. And meron akong nakikita na this person is very cautious din. Though if there is already feelings here, a connection here, hindi rin siya nakikipagbiruan, guys. Ako nagsasabi. Oh, sorry. Mm. Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is worry, pain. Guys, heartbreak. Ten of Swords. Worry, anxiety. Nakita nyo? Worry, anxiety. There is worry here. See. Siguro, ikaw nag-worry kasi this person is very popular din or well-known. Siguro, kaya parang nagdadalawang, meron din parang, ano dito, parang hesitation dito. Kasi parang, uh, iniisip mo, baka hindi kayo compatible or parang, nag, ewan ko kung parang minamaliit mo yung sarili mo if you are the one na nakaramdam nito, collective. Okay? Kasi siguro tong person na to, sabi ko nga ready na siya sa relationship, ready na siya once na if ever gusto man niya magpakasal, pwede na kasi kumbaga stable na tong person na to, seryoso tong person na to, not into games tong person na to, parang ganyan. And clean yung intention nitong person na to. And po pwede siguro ang ikaw yung nakakaramdam na parang that's why parang ano kasi meron ka ring hesitation sa sarili mo. I don't know if you are the one who is worrying here or nagkakaroon ng anxiety kasi parang iniisip mo na you're not enough. Meron akong nakuha na gano'n. So let's see. Let's see. Last four cards for my collective. Yeah. The Hangman. Wow. Seven of Swords. Sneaky. Kung nag-worry ka na if this person is sneaky or itong person to is nag-worry na you are sneaky. Kasi nga someone is wearing mask here eh. King of Wands and Six of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Cups. My gosh, nakikita niyo ba yung cards? King of Wands, ano sabi ko, di ba, very attractive. It can be him. Very attractive, very fiery, very, oh my gosh, this person is, ang lakas ng dating, parang ganun. There is a tingling sensation on my end. There's an equal give and take here. Yeah, this person is, meron akong nakikita, this is a Samaritan also. This is very stable financially. And po pwede sigurong ikaw yung not well off. Okay, collective. So take what's resonate. Kung sino man yung energy na nakukuha ko. Tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo lang. Ace of Wands. Hurting, agonizing pain. Watch your back. Closed. Intervention. Guys, meron ako nakikita dito na hindi mo kailangan mag-alala dito sa person na to kasi this person is not sneaky. Siguro ikaw lang yung nag-iisip nito na parang baka baka siguro that's why you are wearing your mask kasi iniisip mo, baka hindi naman seryoso sa akin 'to. Guys, ako na nagsasabi, if this person is kung ikaw man yung hindi pa ready, vice versa, magiging totga ito. Yeah. Ten of Cups, you will be happy with the blissful happiness also dito, soulmate. You will be happy kapag ka naging grounded tong connection na to. Kasi this is a soulmate, not a karmic. Okay, Ten of Cups, happiness, yeah. It can be this person is nakalala mo online. Or, pwedeng this person is searching on you, looking at you online. Okay. Or vice versa, guys. Someone here is may behavioral pattern pa rin, may triggers pa rin. Okay, po pwede kasing, well, hindi ko, hindi na ako magtataka kasi most of you siguro naka-experience ng karmic relationship, karmic person, kaya naging ganun, whether ikaw to, guys, collective single or itong person na to. Pero sabi ko na sa inyo, this person is serious, okay? This person can give equal give and take. Four of Wands here is marriage, happiness, celebration. Yes. Kaya may intervention dito eh. Naka-block yung connection. Naka-ano pa, kumbaga parang naka-stop, naka-hang yung connection. Kasi, ano eh, meron ditong not telling the truth eh. Hindi honest sa nararamdaman, hindi honest sa sarili, sa basta there is someone here na hindi ano, hindi pa totally maayos yung sarili. Yeah. Anyway, if this is for you, collective singles, this person is for you. Kasi ano eh, um, well, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan. May free will tayo. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan mag stay tong person na mag-wait tong person na to. Sa'yo, kung ikaw man yung collective yung may issue or hiding something or um, may someone else pa. Pero ikaw nakakaalam ng collective singles, okay? So, take what's resonate. So, I hope resonated sa inyo yung reading natin ngayon. And if resonated sa inyo, you're welcome to comment on this video. Uh, kung kailan mo man ito mapapanood. Collective single, okay? So, maraming maraming salamat sa patuloy na tangkilik ng channel natin. Okay? So, marami pa kayong aabangan na reading. Okay? And welcome din yung mga person na gustong mag-request, okay, ng topic sa reading. Okay? Para tingnan natin kung magagawa natin. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Anyway, today is Wednesday na. So, happy Wednesday sa inyo. And this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader, and this is La Luna Tarot. Bye!